वास्को पोलिसांनी बोगमाळे छापो मारून 122 ग्रॅम गांजा जप्त केला. या प्रकरणात वास्को पुलिशेन 28 वर्साच्या क्लिफर्ड लॉपिस हाका रंगेहात 12,000च्या 122 ग्राम गांजा सयत अटक केल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Based on reliable and specific information, a raid was conducted by Vasco Police Station, team headed by PSI Suraj Kankonkar, wherein one Clifford Lopez, aged 28 years, resident of Chikolna, Pogmalo, was found in illegal possession of 122 grams ganja worth around rupees 12,000. The said person has been taken into custody and an offence under NDPS Act has been registered against him. Further investigation is in progress to find the source from whom he has procured the narcotic drug. From the investigation conducted so far and the interrogation of the accused person, there appears to be another person who had supplied the narcotic drug. We will nab the accused person and bring the case to logical conclusion. Our drive against narcotic drive will continue, and this is the 6th case we have booked for the current year.